Hey guys, it's Adrian, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you why 3ds Max 2022 is the best software for modelers. Alright, now in 3ds Max 2022 we have some new beautiful cool feature called Smart Extrude, Retopology. We have Subdivide and a bunch of more cool stuff. Let's head to the viewport and I'm gonna activate snap and create a very simple box right here. I'm going to convert it to editable poly, and by using Swift tool, let's create and add some segment to our box. Now, if I hold shift and push it down on the z-axis by holding shift, I activate Smart Extrude like that. I create a hole. If I hold shift and push it all the way down, I create extrusion. If I hold shift and push it all the way down through our box, we create a hole. How awesome is that? It's very cool. I can do the same thing here. Move it all the way down. We create this cut. Now Smart Extrude can do bridge as well. If I select this face right here, activate snap and snap it to this, hold shift and snap it to this vertex right here, Smart Extrude weld the vertices and bridge two faces. How awesome is that? It's mind-blowing. It fastens the speed of your modeling by 10 times. It's amazing. Alright, I'm going to demonstrate the Retopology modifier as well. Let's just create a bit more complex shape right here. Delete this one as well. Let's just push this face inward to create this intrusion right here. Let's remove this hole by bridge it like that, shift, and let's just have some kind of a cylindrical hole in here. Right, let's create a cylindrical hole again. Let's add this one as well. But I can use a smart extrusion for having a cylindrical hole on top of our box. How we do that is you're just gonna create a cylinder, parameter cylinder, activate auto grid, and create it on top of our box right here. I go to our box, and now I'm gonna attach the cylinder onto our box. I'm gonna go and select the faces at the bottom on shift, push it all the way down. Now if I delete this cylinder right here, as you can see, we have this beautiful cylindrical hole on top. Let's just clean it a bit more, and let's just clean the topology because we want to have this beautiful perfect cylinder. Now if I cap it and select this face on top and push it all the way down, guess what's happened? Yes, we have this beautiful cylindrical hole in our mesh. Awesome. This super fast, clean the topology really fast like that. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and activate, let's reset the X-form. Let's go to the modifier and let's add a slice modifier to add a bit more complex shape in here as well. Let's move it, go to the slice plane, move it up, and positive, remove positive, and add a cap. For example, like that, something like this would be cool. Yes, like that, a bit more complex. Alright, so we can add a bunch of more slice, create a beautiful cut, slice modifier to a mesh. We do the same, something like that in here. Remove negative, activate cap to create this kind of, sometimes the cap doesn't work, we have to move it a bit in here as well. Yes, something like that would be cool. Alright, I'm gonna convert to editable poly. I'm gonna use a subdivide mode, doesn't matter, This is like, for example, adaptive. All right, adaptive edge length something like 302. Let's use Retopology. But before we use Retopology, I'm gonna create a bunch of more copies of this one. All right. Before you add any Retopology modifier, first you use subdivided and then use Retopology. I'm gonna leave everything at default. Compute. Let's see the results. Computed at 5,000 face counts and beautiful. Look how clean is that. Awesome. Now we have low poly and high poly version. Alright, this was the end of this tutorial. I hope you like it. Be sure to subscribe to that thumbs up button. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.